Guys, in yesterday's class we saw this chart. So I will be explaining you guys today how this value ranges came. See here guys, the storage size of int data type is 2 bytes or 4 bytes. If the size of integer is 2 byte means it can store the value from minus 32,768 to 32,767, which is nothing but minus 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 minus 1. The formula of getting the value is minus 2 power n minus 1 to 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. 2 byte is nothing but 16 bits. Value of n is 16 here. So minus 2 power n minus 1 is minus 2 power 16 minus 1, which is minus 2 power 15. So in the same way, if the storage size of integer is 4 byte means the value will be minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1, which means minus 2 power n minus 1, then minus 2 power 32 minus 1, which is minus 2 power 31. So guys, you have to calculate in this way. What is floating point type? The floating point data type is used to store numbers with a decimal point. Here is syntax of floating point data type. Float in bracket variable name semicolon. Then here is some example of floating point type. The storage size of float data type is 4 bytes. Storage size of double data type is 8 bytes. The storage size of long double data type is 10 bytes. What is character type? It is used to define characters. Character type variable can hold a single character. Here is the syntax for character data type. Here is an example of character data type. For declaring a character data type, we should put that character into single quote, and we have to end with that line with a semicolon. The storage size of char type is 1 byte. The storage size of unsigned char also 1 byte, and the storage size of signed char also 1 byte. What is void type? The void type means no values. It cannot be used with variable declaration. It is usually used with function to specify its return type or its argument. So here is a small example of void type. What is user defined type declaration? C programming language allows users to create new data type, but it is usually created using existing data type with another identifier. This user-defined data type identifier can later be used to declare variables. In short, its purpose is to redefine the name of an existing data type. So here is the syntax and example of user-defined type declaration. The syntax is typedef in bracket type, then in another bracket identifier, then semicolon. See this example guys. First we have to write typedef, then space type is int means integer type, then identifier is number, then semicolon. Now we can use number identifier instead of int to declare integer variable. What is enum data type? It is a user defined data type having finite set of enumeration constants or aliases. Syntax of enum data type is enum, then we have to declare data type, then we can declare constant 1, 2 or n number of constant. So see the example. First we have to write enum, then we have to declare data type. We are declaring here boolean, then in bracket we have to declare values. False means false equal to 0, comma true, then close bracket, then semicolon. What is identifier? Like any other programming language, we must aware of the naming convention in C programming language before start programming. An identifier is a name given to program elements such as variables, array, and functions. In the programming language C, an identifier is a sequence of alphabets or digits. Following rules must be kept in mind while naming an identifier. The first character must be an alphabet, whether uppercase or lowercase, or can be an underscore. All succeeding characters must be alphabets or digits. No special characters or punctuation symbols are allowed except the underscore. No two successive underscores are allowed. Keywords should not be used as identifiers. What is keyword? In C programming language, there are set of words that you cannot use as an identifier. These words are known as reserved words or keywords. Keywords are standard identifiers and their meaning and purpose is predefined by the compiler. There are set of 32 keywords in C programming language. So it is the chart of 32 keywords: int, float, double, long, short, signed, unsigned, const, if, else, switch, break, default, do, while, for, register, extern, static, struct, type, def, enum, return, size of, goto, union, auto, case, void, char, continue, and volatile. We cannot use keywords for declaring variable name, function name, and for declaring constant variables. So guys, that's all for today's video. Next topic we'll be discussing in upcoming video. Thanks for watching.